Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the stock called fsly Inc. Now this is the weekly chart. The only thing is we have very limited amount of data, so we can't go beyond the range, but anyhow there is enough to take a note on. So what we are going to do here, so if you are analyzing the trend or look at this trend, you will see the chart is completely divided into two parts and the stock is holding uh, above the upper end of the range or between the middle part. So this chart has been segregated by 35 and $39. This is the range which is segregating or dividing this chart into two parts. So 35.7 will be the stop loss that you're gonna look at, and 39.78 will be your immediate support. That is pretty much clear as far as the chart is concerned. And we have seen how the stock has moved till January or February 2021, and there has been a very steep decline that the stock has shown, and we are now consolidating above 39.78. So this is the first thing that you need to observe. Now the stock has started taking support above 39.78. Slowly and steadily we will go for an upside. So the first or immediate target that we're gonna look at will be $65. Then we have our next target at 72.4, and if you are looking at the upper end of the range, so if you are looking at the upper end of the range, it will be in between 118 and $139. Okay, so this is how the current section looks like. Okay, this part, I'm just talking about this part because the stock went up like this, it has fallen like this, now it is again moved up like this. Now there will be, we have to see whether the C part, it halts at 139 or it go beyond 139. That's a question. Or even if it halts at 39 and if it falls like this, the fifth move will be bigger. Okay, so there is a possibility that we are talking about. Anyhow, the current range is in between 35.7 and 39.78 on the downside, and on the upside we have a range in between 118 and 139. But because we are looking at or talking about the long-term chart or whatever data we have, so what is the next thing that is going to happen, that will probably happen if the stock moves beyond $139. Now this is completely conditional and only if there is a breakout, because still 139 is a certainty and we have a proof of it because the stock has tested that. But beyond that we don't have anything to talk about. Okay, so let's say if the stock moves beyond, if the stock moves beyond $139, and as I told you this is completely conditional, so the range will only get activated if there is a breakout beyond 139 or $140. So if that happens, then the big trend or the target that we're gonna look at, so this is basically a swing, as you can see here we are. This is basically a swing that we are talking about, and here we are. So as you can see, this is basically a swing. Stock went up, comes down, and it has taken support 2 times above the line. So if this level holds and if the stock and it is completely holding, so we have our stop loss in place. And if there is a breakout beyond $139 going forward, then we are looking for a big target, and that will be in between 288 and 350 $360 on the upside in the upcoming weeks and months. So this is what we are looking at as far as the big range is concerned, but you have definitely have to wait for it. And as I told you, beyond 139 all the levels or this big range is completely conditional and will only get activated if the stock sustain above 139 or $140. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.